In any situation where you're dealing with somebody, whether it's our client or the other side, who is impaired in some way, whether that be they're struggling with addiction of one kind or another, or they're struggling with emotional issues that are a little bit over their head, temporary or some sort of imbalance, PTSD. Those are the kind of cases that you have to tread very softly, especially when there's children involved, and our office always puts the safety and well-being of children first. So in those situations, there's certainly legal actions that you can take, but I always talk to clients before we file anything or do anything about creating a safety plan. And depending on whether or not they're still living in the home with the person or living in a place where they're separated, either way they need to have some sort of person to go to, or whether it be family or friends that are aware of the situation and can provide a safe haven where they're not going to be in harm's way. And then as the case moves forward, that's always going to be a factor in determining what the best interest of the children are. Is this person dealing with it? And while those situations are really sad, and I think it's human nature especially for women, to want to help that person who's struggling with their issues get to a better place. The job of the attorney as the advocate is to look out for the client's best interest, and sometimes that means doing things that are hard to do, making those hard decisions. But I think that through the combined experience in our law office, we're able to really help people work through those issues and get to a place where they're both safe and healthier and taken care of.